Hello, this is Saloni and she is my friend Bharti, and today we are going to share our idea for ATL Marathon. Once me and my friend were just sitting and were recognizing a windmill. Then we saw that electricity was being made by a windmill. Now how it made, just the fans of the windmill were moving, and the downward the turbines were moving, and they were trapped in the batteries. So same here, we thought, why shouldn't we create an idea to stop the reduce of carbon in the same way. So now today we are going to make a project which can stop the reduce of carbon from the cars and etc.
So we have developed an idea to check over it.
So now as we are seeing, when the car is moving, so the many of the carbon is increasing day by day, and the exhaust is being. So now as we know, the increase of the carbon is increasing in day by in atmosphere. So now we have developed an idea to put a check over it from the cars and vehicles. So now as the car will move, then when the wheels of the car will rotate, so we are going to produce electricity from that. So now when the car will move, then we are going to trap that electricity in the batteries. So now my friend will tell what materials are required and how we are going to proceed it.
Okay.
The things we require in this project is DC jack, DC gear, Arduino programming software, Arduino battery, LED, buzzer, simple model of car, etc.
Okay.
So now when the car will move, we are going to take that electricity, the DC motor will move from that, and then now we are going to put a gear. And then we are going to put a DC jack, internal and external both, so which the electricity which will be produced, that will be trapped into the batteries, and it will help the car to move. And now when, as we know, it is a machine, it can stop at any time. So we are going to have a second step also, that if it stops, we are going to put solar plate in it. So whenever if this work didn't work, it can move through this help of the solar plate also. And now the third way by which we can stop this also, if this project didn't work, that last option we are having is of CNG. So all this will help in the reduce of carbon, and this how we are going to put a check over the reduce of the carbon in the atmosphere. This is our project of the smart car through which we will stop the reduce of carbon. So now this is our model. These are the wheels. When this wheel will rotate, the electricity will produce. It will be converted by the DC motor, and this help of this DC jack, we are going to put it into the batteries. And we are going to also put a buzzer, which will, if the batteries are fully charged, so that buzzer can ring and we can stop the charging of the batteries. And now if this is our second part, that if the first part didn't work, we can put a solar plate. Same here, we are going to put the DC jack, and we are going to trap this in the batteries. So this will help in the moving of the car without the electricity, but the electricity through which it will move, that will produce by itself. Thank you.